What's up, you guys? Brian here. I sell clothing full-time on platforms like eBay. I pick up my items at places like thrift stores, garage sales, private deals, things like that. Without further ado, let's go find some items at the thrift store. Let's go. We have this rowback quarter zip. They go for about $80 plus shipping, and they sell super quickly. I saw this shield, which means it's the brand Cool. They sell this brand at REI and other hiking stores. This brand does very well, should sell for 30 to 36 bucks. I love selling this brand. They're so cool. Tory Richard, floral geometric patterns. The silk and the cotton lawn are the materials you want to look out for with this brand, and they generally sell for just over $30. This is a new brand for me. I believe it's called Villebrequin. I probably butchered that. They sell pretty quickly for somewhere between $40 and $70. Comps were kind of all over the place, but definitely an amazing brand. This shirt is 100% linen, and I'm contemplating maybe keeping it for myself. Ted Baker is a decent brand. Unfortunately, it might take a little bit of time to sell, but I should be able to get somewhere between $30 and $60 for it. Smartwool is an amazing brand to sell. This sweater was super cool as well, size medium. I'm going to list it for around $50 and see what kind of offers come in. Everybody knows Ralph Lauren, but this one is the white lettering, which means it's old, it's vintage. Also, it has this nice tartan plaid, which is a really desirable pattern. I should be able to get about 26 bucks shipped for this. We are at the bins where you pay by the pound. This is the last stop before the clothes end up in the landfill. You guys remember Kony 2012? This vintage t-shirt goes for decent money. We also have these Hawaiian dresses. Hilo Hattie's a pretty good brand. 3X is a good size, and these are just beautiful pieces. Here are some more Hilo Hattie. This is a men's Hawaiian shirt, size XL, and it's that thick cloth, which does really well. These vintage Wrangler shirts do very well. It's got a crazy Aztec pattern. It's pearl snap. This is the kind of thing that people are really looking for. I believe I should be able to get somewhere between $35 and $55. Vuori goes for crazy money, and they sell pretty quickly. I should be able to get around $50 for these pants. Alright, if you watch my channel, you know I sell Kohl's brands. Quick Dry, Vented Shirt, Cropped and Borrow. People take these on their fishing trips. They like to buy them used. So I buy these, and they sell pretty well for about 26 bucks. I don't know exactly what I'm going to get for it, but this is a vintage Quicksilver floral shirt. I thought it was cool enough that it was worth a shot. This is a new brand for me. I've heard of them before, but I've never actually found them. Bare Bottom. They sell very quickly, not for a ton of money, but they sell very fast. Alright, here are all of the items I picked up for the day. I just showed you guys some of the highlights, checking out the good weather. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and have a good day.